Something's wrong! Help! The water's everywhere! Everyone move, now!
Hold on! We're coming! Don't let go!
Rise and shine, everyone. Breakfast is almost ready.
Alex, Zoe, come eat before it gets cold.
Today is going to be the best day ever! Yay! Let's go right now!
Those clouds look a bit heavy today.
Race you to the corner, Zoe!
That wind picked up fast. Let's bring the chairs inside. Kids, come on! Come on!
Now. The radio says heavy rain is coming tonight. We should be ready, just in case.
What should we do?
We'll just prepare inside. Don't worry, it'll be fine.
The sky looks a little scary today, doesn't it?
Let's close this window. Safety first.
Hurry! It's getting worse!
Huh? What's that sound? Mom! Dad! Water's in the living room.
Stay back, my dears! Don't step into the water!
What?
Oh no! Run, Michael! Run!
This isn't cool rain anymore. This is scary.
Everyone! Put on your life jackets! We must move now!
Zoe, hold still. I'll help you zip it. I have the medicine and dry clothes.
Oh!
Our street looks like a river now.
Okay, careful now, Dow. Step in slowly, sweetheart.
That's it, you're doing great.
Dad, look! A little dog is stuck there.
Stay steady, buddy. Nothing can stop us.
Help! Help me and my wife! Mr. Miller, Mrs. Miller, we're here to help you. Don't worry, we'll help you step in.
Thank you so much. We made it.
Come here, little friend. We won't hurt you. You're safe now.
Thank goodness we came in time.
We're safe now. Let's get everyone warm and dry.
If you get hungry, please have some of these snacks.
Your family is so kind. We don't know how to thank you.
It's our pleasure, ma'am. We're just happy you're here with us.
Here you go, Kao. This will keep you warm.
Thank you.
We made it through together. That's what matters most.
Look at everyone working together. That's what makes this town special.
Many hands make the work light, don't they? Yes, they do.
We are happy to give this award to this family for helping our neighborhood during the flood. That's what we should do. Thank you very much, everyone, for this.
Wow, we were scared, but we were so brave.
What a journey these past few days have been.
I was really scared during the flood. But helping others made me brave.
Nature is strong.
But when we help each other, we are stronger. Being prepared and helping our neighbors tie, that's what got us through this safely.
No matter what happens, we'll always face it together, as a family.
What a beautiful morning it is today.
Fetch it, boy. You're the best friend I could ask for. I'm glad we could help our neighbors and find a new friend, too. Thank you for watching our story today. We hope you learned something with us.
If you enjoyed our story today, we'd love for you to join our family.
Just tap that subscribe button right now.
And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss our next adventure. See you next time. Bye-bye.